Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here. In this tutorial, I'm gonna talking about the set_millisecond method in the the date object. So what it does is, when you know you need to create an event and equals, use the new operator, and name is as used for the date constructor to construct a date. And inside that, what we're gonna do is August 19, the launch of the JavaScript 1975 23 15 30. When we do that, as you can see, there is no millisecond. So what we need to do is log it on a console. If we check that the millisecond, it's gonna definitely give you 0, because you do not give any millisecond. So by default, it's gonna show you the 0. So when we do that, oh yeah, I need to pass the function, so yeah, 0. And if we you need to you want to set up, so what we need to do is use the event dot set milliseconds, and you need to pass the millisecond in as an argument. So think about that, 46 as a millisecond. So if we do that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get now 456. Well, this is what the set millisecond method does. And the the method which goes hand in hand with the set method is the get. So this is what we can get from that. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.